What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Tutorial with a brand new video to talk about how to put your screen protector on your Nintendo Switch. So, as you saw, I just made another video regarding the Switch for the other stuff, for like the case and whatnot. So this video is going to show you how to put the screen protector on it. I wish I ordered the other companies because the quality was really good, but hey, let's test it out. Maybe this company has good quality as well. Don't want to judge too soon. So let's unbox it first, see what components it comes with, and if everything is needed. I already have like extra items that I can use to like clean the screen and whatnot, but let's see what they provide. Hopefully they provide something. So they have some extra barriers on it, protectors per se. Just showing you guys right here. Ah, gosh dang it. I always suck at this stuff when I try to like open it. Let me just try to open it. I don't even know if I need to open it. Do I need to open it? Oh no, I don't need to open. I don't think I need to open it. I'm sorry. I at least I don't think so. Wait, no, I do. It's like a booklet. Okay, it's open. So before I get in, you can see it's a 9H hardness. It's scratch resistant. That's basically what I got. It's 0 bubbles, which is good because I don't want to mess up my gameplay. Ultra clear. And this is just like the backness of it, how it looks like, how the different features are, what it comes with. So it does tell you what it is inside of it, what it comes with, the features and whatnot. And it has a lifetime warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is pretty good. Of course, if you got it from Amazon, same thing, doesn't even matter. You can literally return in 30 days, but the lifetime warranty is very good. They're giving you a 100% satisfaction rate, so that's actually really good. So let's go. Let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you how to put it on. I'm overall very good at putting these items on. So this is the screen protector itself. So you can see, and it even tells you which one to remove first, which is this one. It's just like iPhone ones. So let's get right into it. Let me open the packet. It's probably going to tell me to clean, wipe, whatnot. That's why I said I have this already if it doesn't come with something to clean it. I usually just use that to wipe my computer screen or my phones. But let's see. I'm positive they have something. So let's get right into it. Oh, it comes with 2, by the way. So if you mess up one or I mess up one, you always have a second one to go with. So just gonna put that to the side for now. So this is the items it comes with. Same thing, we got you covered. Don't care right now. It comes with this. This is to get rid of the bubbles. This is where you like scrape it on. This is to basically get rid of the dust. If you can't, like after you wipe it, you can't do it. This is just telling you to be very careful, clean the screen. So they did this. These are the, excuse me. First you wet wipe it, then you dry wipe it, and then you do, oh, not this one, this one. So they gave 2 for 2, so I'm going to keep one there. And then this is what it tells you how to do it. This tells me to write a review. So let's see. It has instructions on what to do. As you can see, it tells you clearly to wash your hands. My hands are clean, don't worry. Then clean the phone with the screen provided by wet wipes and dry wipes. Then it doesn't tell you about what's it called, the ones for dusts, which is this one, but we'll still do it. And this is the screen cleaner. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna just wipe it first with this. If the table shakes, I'm sorry, because I'm like literally very rigorously cleaning the Switch. Okay, left a lot, actually. A lot of residues at the end. It's still like messed up at the end. But let's get right into the wet wipes. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to purchase this. You can follow it along with almost any type of thing, screen protector. You don't have to rely on this one. If you already purchased another one, that's perfectly fine. You don't gotta like obviously go for this one. So this is the wet wipe. Just get in as much as you guys can. Again, it's only the screen that matters. You don't need to worry about the Joy-Cons. Those have different covers, not protectors per se, but like grips and whatnot that you can use. Next, we'll use the dry wipe. All right. Feels like I'm about to start doing surgery. All right. Let me just do a little last minute scrub, especially the corners, making sure I got everything. All right, let me just check. I feel like I keep missing this corner. It's not getting clean. I don't know why. I could be wrong. It just doesn't feel clean to me. Or that might be because of the docking and it got dirty. Yeah, I think it's because, see, so definitely try to do it before you even start using the thing, because you can see this dock has already caused, I don't even know if this is like scratches or it went away with my, that's so damn weird. Like, it's going away with my finger if I rub it very, very rigorously, but it's not going away with the wipes, which is very, that's very odd. But I'm literally doing it with my thumb and it's going away, because I thought it was maybe a scratch because I bought it brand new. And just trying to see if you guys, I'm trying to see if I can even still see it. So let me use this one because this is supposed to be, I think it did happen because of the dock. So the wet wipes actually didn't help. So if you do see those smudges, you can definitely use your thumb to like, or a piece of your body, skin, like thumbnail, whatever, to like go from there. So let's see now. Yes, now it is clean. I'm just going to use this as a one last thing. Again, it's not needed, but I want to. I just want to be sure. Just making sure I grab everything. All right, I think, I don't think I see it anyway, so. All right, I think we are good to go. All right, let's get into it. If I fail, I failed all of you guys, so I apologize. So it says to remove this first, and I assume I have to flip it because it matches it in this direction, as you can see. So I'm going to flip it and then go from here. Let's see what happens. Woohoo. Pray for me, guys. I'm actually going to get up for this, so let's see if I can, just to show you guys a good angle. Messed up just a little bit. Just one last try. Got it. Now I got it. Perfect. That took like a good amount of tries. You can, obviously you have to do this portion. Make sure all the bubbles away. So try to do it with your fingers first. All right, just gotta make sure all the bubbles go away. This is the biggest one here. I'm gonna try to just squeeze it out. All right, let me just, oh wait, wrong one. Where's the other one? Sorry. Oh shit, sorry. Hit the stand. Let's push it here one last time. All right. Screen protector applied. Let me turn on the game just to show you guys how it, oh wait, wrong side, just how it looks. All right, as you can see, you barely, it's a little here. I just need to push it. Oh, actually, that was just a smudge mark. So you can see, you actually can't notice the thing at all. So it's actually very good. It's very well presented. I did a good job. Okay, so you guys got the screen protector and it's placed very well. So yeah, this was the tutorial on how to put it on. I hope you guys liked the video. Overall, if you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. On that, FNH out. Peace.